Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for staying tuned. God bless you. Today I want to quickly show you guys how to prep your skin before foundation if you're dealing with very oily skin, or you have very oily skin, or dealing with acne, pimples, hyperpigmentations and melasma. This video is for you. My name is Imadi Osage. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. The first step to a flawless makeup is ensuring that your skin is properly clean and free of dirt. So I'm cleaning the skin now properly using the baby wipes and a little micellar water. And the next step is using the cleanser. I'm using the cleanser because she's acne prone, so I do not want to irritate the skin. So I'm using the cleanser that best suits a skin condition and a skin type. And the next one is I'm using this essence toner from Dr. Rachel. Contains vitamin C and niacinamide. It helps to brighten the skin. It also gives hydration and also moisturize the skin. And the next one is using hyaluronic acid serum and with a little bit of vitamin C. This hyaluronic acid serum is amazing. I cannot overemphasize the need for your skin to be hydrated, whether you have dry skin or oily skin. Hydration helps with your skin type or whatever skin condition you have. And the next one you're seeing me do is applying a moisturizer, and as you can see, I'm applying the moisturizer all over our face, including underneath our eyes. So do not be in a hurry when you're prepping your skin. Ensure that you get all of this clearly and into your skin properly. I'm a bit fast with the video because I do not want the video to be lengthy, so I don't bore you out. So yes, I'm also hydrating the lips. And the next one I'm using is this Maybelline baby skin pore eraser. Just a little of it will go a long way. This is needed if your clients or if you have large pores that are open. It will help to actually just fine-tune it, and like name implies, baby skin. The next one is applying my face primer. I'm tapping my primer into the skin gently. Like I said, my video is a little bit fast, so you tap the primer into the skin gently. Note you are not scrubbing it or dragging it down. You're tapping into the skin. As you can see, all the shine are actually just disappearing. And I'm using a Rimmel mattifying primer. I cannot overemphasize the need for ponds. I do not know why people are kicking this out of their routine, but hey, this is a video for affordable skin prep for oily skin and acne prone skin. Ponds is your best friend, especially on your areas where you have shine the most: your brows, your nose, underneath your nose, your cheekbones. You can just use it in the same motion that you use with the primer. Just tap it in, and do not forget to use a hydrating setting spray to set everything in and allow it to dry down. Okay, allow it to dry down, and when it's all dry, and to cover up acne if your clients, or if you have so much dark spots or hyperpigmentations, dark circles to cover, this is the routine. I have a video up that perfectly explains this routine. As you can see, please, you can go check out the video. So I'm using a foundation brush to press this in. Now you notice that I am using brush for her. I am not touching her face while prepping her skin for makeup. That's because she's acne prone, and you do not want to touch your client's face when they have acne, pimples and all of that with your bare hands. Even if you have to wash your hands, I do not advise it, because you can pass bacteria to their face, you can irritate them, and after the makeup they complain that, oh, after you did makeup for me I had breakout and all of that. Ensure that your brush is clean and you spray them using the right spray that can disinfect them, and also ensure that you also wash your hands, because you can actually touch her skin with one way or the other without knowing. Okay, and also to help you prevent you getting any bacteria on your face, because you're touching her face, you can touch your part of your skin. For me, I'm also acne prone, so I do not use my hands to touch client skin, especially if they have acne. Also, I do not want to pass on bacteria from one skin to another. Okay, I hope you get that fairly. So as you can see, hyperpigmentations, dark spots are already covered, and the next step is going over to finish the rest of my makeup. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're getting a thing or two. Please leave a comment in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and please like, share, save this video, help a girl grow. Subscribe to my channel once again, and if you have any questions, I'm here to answer. Okay, do not forget the first step to a very flawless finishing, a very flawless makeup is cleaning the skin. Okay, and I'm rushing this video because I don't like when my videos are too lengthy. Like, I just feel like it's boring. Okay, so I'm doing a contour, and do not worry if you feel that your foundation is a little light. Okay, so she's a little dark in her chest, but the rest of her body are very light, so I'm trying to work with the rest of her skin tone, so when she comes out, she doesn't look, you know, too different or somehow. Okay, at the end of this video, you see the finishing result, and then yes, you could give your comment. Okay, my name is Imade Osage, a Nigerian, a beautician, skincare therapist, makeup artist. You can find me at Imade Pro Beauty on Instagram, or rather here on YouTube. I love my YouTube family. I don't know why I have this amazing love for my YouTube family. Now, for a very oily skin, a setting powder is your best friend. Like, I don't know, or rather a setting loose powder is your best friend, especially when you have a good product. You can use it all over your body, your face also, as long as you get the right shade for your skin tone, and you know, your color, or rather your skin tone, better still your skin tone. So I'm almost done with the makeup. I already lined the lips here, and I just decided to spray before I continue the lips. I don't know, guys, I'm feeling this lip, maybe it's just me, I don't know, but I love the lippy. It is beautiful. It just, you know, brought out her lips properly, and it was matte, guys, all matte. I didn't want to do gloss. I'm a fan of glossy lips, but I said today, no, Imade, don't do that. So yes, I went for all matte, and I did something today that was amazing. I used a setting powder to set the lips, and it was beautiful. The outcome was amazing. So you can try this if you're using your nude look and you do not want to do a glossy nude. You can just, this is me applying the setting powder, a look translucent setting powder, and I just use it to tap it in, and this is the result. Ta-da! Yeah, isn't she lovely? Yeah, she's beautiful. And yes, this is it. You can achieve a flawless makeup look if you just take your time and follow the steps. Skin prep in makeup, it is fundamental, it is important, it is essential. Okay, if you want to achieve a flawless look, your skin prep is important, most especially if you are acne prone, or you have pimples, and you have a very oily skin. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you're just joining in, my name is Imade Osage. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.